booty stuff.
Maybe stop saying that. There's only a certain amount of booties somebody can take in a day. Stop saying that word. Look, 2 inches away, I would have kicked her right in the butt. Yeah. Got the snacks on deck. I got the snacks on deck. Nobody at my car yet. I think there was like bees over here the last time, but it's real nice. Ain't no mosquitoes out here, boy. I ain't even felt the mosquito on me yet, boy. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day with Daddy. It's a good day with you. Hey, Joey, your chicken nuggets is ready. Joey, get your chicken nuggets, bro. I'm gonna use your ketchup, though. Ooh, Daddy dip. Oh. One more.
Yummy. Daddy, look, I got a lot of juice.
You going to sit down right here? Or you can walk around. Give me that body love.
Daddy, look.
Crack open another box. 1 box out. 2 box out. Well, baby, do your best. They got lines on it for a reason, bro. Lines on it for a reason, man. Then he took it to the trash. Oh, baby took it to the trash. Look at him. And he found the trash can. Yeah, go up there and go play one more time. Go slide down the slide. It'll be ready when you get over here. Cause you know Daddy finna sample your shit. Daddy finna sample your shit. So my camera cut off. Big old Canon. I told you I had a big old Canon. Camera cut off. So I had to use my phone. Finally got a nice enough phone where you can actually see what I'm doing. I said, hurry up and slide, fool. It's ready. Woo! Woo! Sit right there. What's your booty on here? Ants on the ground. They're gonna eat your booty. They probably will, sure.
After we slide a little bit more, we're all gonna go on a swing.
All right. After you do what?
After we all slide on the
After we slide on the what, man? You gotta calm down.
slide.
Hold on, let her say it.
After we slide on
You cannot say it for nothing, bro.
after we slide on the slide for a little bit, and then all of us are gonna go on a swing.
Okay. That sounds good to me.
You a weirdo.
Who? You a weirdo. You know what I'm talking about? After we go on a slide. Is it good juice? Is it good juice? Damn, I can't get this open with one hand. What if a crippled person get this? What? A purple princess? I only want to be the black princess.
No.
Yes.
Daddy wants to be Tiana.
No, I don't want to be her. I want to be a better one.
The black princess.
Every black person doesn't come from New Orleans.
Nice.
Penny, come on, because your supper's ready. Shut, before I eat it.
Daddy, the black Mario.
The Black Mario.
Yeah, I the black.
That's right. The coolest Mario there is. I'd rather be Luigi though. You know what I'm talking
I'd rather be Luigi.
I like
I'd
Luigi more.
rather to be Peach.
Princess
Princess Peach.
Peach.
I'd rather to be.
She only run on like 250 cc's when they do the Mario Kart.
You get your money.
Okay, another one. What is nigga I mean?
You were allowed to get
Oh.
that chicken nugget. You were allowed to get that. Do we have chicken
Why don't you eat yours? Stop telling what she about to get.
Daddy.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I just because I dropped my chicken nugget in the. Daddy, you mean?
What you mean?
You put Joey's chicken nugget in the sauce.
I didn't do that. You gonna accuse me of something? Don't be calling me no names. Talking about mean and all that stuff, man. That's rude.
Daddy, look.
You didn't say thank you for no Lunchable either, though.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Look.
That's some respect. What? Man, that's nasty. Lick it, man. I don't want it.
I want it. I want it.
I want it. And then you say it like, oh, you always hating on me. Just leave me alone. Yeah, huh? I ain't playing no games. We got visitors. Bro, don't be nasty, dude.
Well, she posted on me today.
Who, her?
Mhm.
That's fine.
No, Ruby did.